Here's an item on the 5th and 6th grade math sample test. It says two expressions are shown, 3 squared times 3 cubed and 3 to the 5th power. What is the value of each expression? Enter each answer on a separate line. At the bottom of the page you have an equation editor. It's not a calculator, but it allows you to click on buttons to add numbers and symbols, and you can also use your keyboard to add numbers or symbols. And if I'm not sure how to deal with this question, I'll click on the context menu and click Tutorial, and it says this question type requires you to create equations or expressions using buttons on the keyboard. So I could watch this tutorial and it says create the expression of y equals 2/3, etc. And then you can use the buttons in the equation editor to create the expression. But remember, at the beginning of the tutorial it said this question type requires you to create equations or expressions. The question I'm doing wants me to create a value. It does not ask me to create an equation or an expression. So I would need to use scratch paper to calculate 3 squared times 3 cubed. And then if I understood that 3 squared times 3 cubed is the same as 3 to the 5th, I could just type 243 in the second box. But the problem is the tutorial says nothing about creating values or finding values. It just says creating equations or expressions.